So first I would like to start with a little bit of introduction. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister on 31st October 2015 on the occasion of the 140th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Through this innovative measure, the knowledge of the culture, traditions, and practices of different states and UTs will lead to an enhanced understanding and bonding between the states, thereby strengthening the unity and integrity of India. All states are covered under this program. There are pairings of states at national level, and these pairings will be in effect for 1 year or till the next round of pairing. The activity will be very useful to link various states and districts in annual programs that will connect people through exchange in area of culture, tourism, language, education, trade, etc. And citizens will be able to experience the culture diversity of a much larger number of states while realizing that India is one. With the same strategy, the state of Uttarakhand is paired with the state of Karnataka. Under this program, students of IHM Bangalore visited Uttarakhand, hosted by IHM Dehradun from 24th Feb to 28th Feb 2020. Various activities were conducted. Various activities were conducted during 5 days visit, which includes visit to Forest Research Institute Dehradun, Tapkeshwar Temple, Tehri Dam, Triveni Ghat Rishikesh, Patanjali Vidyapeeth, Ganga Aarti at Haridwar, Indian Military Academy Dehradun, Dindyali the homestay along with glimpse of Uttarakhand's culture and dance forms. Continuing the legacy, today we all have gathered here to again share knowledge among paired states for which we are conducting quiz between students of IHM Dehradun and Bangalore. Before we start, I would like to welcome Mr. V.R. Venkatadhari, Principal of IHM Bangalore, Dr. Jagdeep Khanna, Principal of IHM Dehradun, Mr. Ankush Sharma, Mr. Ankush Singh, I'm so sorry, from IHM Bangalore, all faculties, students, staff from both institutes. I also welcome all participants and attendees. Let me quickly introduce the participants for the quiz. From IHM Bangalore, we have Ms. Ambika Mukherjee, Ms. Akansha Iyer, Mr. Abhinav Chaudhary, and Mr. Akansh Singh. From IHM Dehradun, we have Ms. Manishka Joshi, Ms. Riddhi Gunjal, Mr. Paras Sharma, and Mr. Praman Sharma. Rules for the quiz are as follows. Each team consists of 4 participants. Every participant will be asked 3 questions. Total 12 questions will be asked. The questions will be asked in a sequence and won't be passed forward. Sequence for IHM Bangalore is Ambika, Akansha, Abhinav, and Akansh. Sequence for IHM Dehradun is Manishka, Riddhi, Paras, and Praman. Each question consists of 10 marks, no negative marking. Questions will be shown over PPT as well as narrated by me. Every participant will get 10 seconds to answer the question, and there will be a buzzer after 10 seconds. Webcam of all participants to remain open and connected all the time. Quiz consists of MCQs as well as direct questions for the participant. If the question is not answered, the answer will be shared on the screen and the next question will be asked. Questions will be based on state culture and traditions, geography, monuments and tourist spots, state symbols, tourism districts and regions, history of the state, food patterns.
Wait.
So we will start the quiz with
Isha,
students
wait.
of IHM Bangalore.
Isha,
Okay,
wait.
sir. Okay.
Wait.
Sir, Akansha Iyer of IHM Bangalore is unable to unmute herself.
Akansha. Now, Akansha, please unmute yourself.
And Akansh Singh as well.
And Akansha is mute, unmute yourself.
Akansh Singh.
Akansh
Sir,
is also
unable
Akansh Singh, please mute, unmute yourself.
Done, sir.
Done. Now, Isha, now we
Yes,
can
sir.
start.
So the first question is for Miss Ambika. Are we ready?
PPT.
Yes.
Just a second.
Now,
Yes, Isha.
So Ambika, the first question for you is which year the Indian Military Academy IMA was established? And your options are first is A 1931, B 1932, C 1933 and D 1934.
I'll go for D 1934.
Okay, I'm so sorry, the answer is wrong. The answer is 1932, B. It was
Please the next
established through a It was established through a recommendation by the Indian Military College Committee, which was set up under the chairmanship of Field Marshal Philip Cheatwood. The question in which year the IMA was established. From a class of 40 male cadets in 1932, IMA now trains over approximately 400 gentlemen cadets a class, with the total size of the institute being 1,650. Okay, the next question. For the first question, there are no marks, 0 marks. Second question is for Akansha. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Second question is what is the total number of national parks in Uttarakhand? Your options are A 6, B 7, C 8 and D is 9.
A6.
Sorry?
Go for A. Option A. 6.
That's the correct answer. Mandeep sir, next slide please. Yeah.
so next is the answer.
Due to biodiversity, yes sir. Due to biodiversity present in state, 12% of total geographical area is protected areas, which includes 6 national parks, 7 wildlife sanctuaries, 4 conservation and 1 biosphere reserve. Okay, we'll move on to the third question, which is for Mr. Abhinav. Abhinav, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Your question is, it is one of the famous pilgrimage destination in Uttarakhand. Identify the destination as you can see the picture. And your options are Gurudwara Nanak Mata Sahib, B is Gurudwara Nanak Sar Sahib, C is Gurudwara Hemkund Sahib, and D is Gurudwara Paonta Sahib.
I guess it's C. Hemkund Sahib. Gurudwara Hemkund Sahib.
Are you confirmed with that?
Yeah.
Okay. The answer, you're going with C, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the answer is correct. Hemkund Sahib is the highest Gurdwara of the 6, located at an altitude of 4329 meters in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. This holy shrine got its name from the glacial lake Hemkund, adjacent to the Gurdwara, whose literal meaning is the lake of snow, and is dedicated to the 10th Sikh Guru, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Moving on to the fourth question we have for Akansh. Akansh, are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. The question 4 is, who established Shanti Kunj in Haridwar, Uttarakhand? Your options are A. Swami Ramanand Ji, B. Swami Shraddhanand Ji, C. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji, and D. Pandit Sri Krishnan Arjun Ji.
So it is Gayatri Parivar, and it is established by Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya ji. Yes, I'm sure.
You're going with C.
Yeah.
Okay, the answer is correct. Sir, can we have the next slide, please? Yeah. So we'll move on to the fifth question now, which is again for Ambika. Ambika, you ready?
Yes.
What is the official website of Uttarakhand Tourism? Okay. Options are A, www.uttarakhand.gov.in. B is www.uttarakhand.gov.com. C is www.uttarakhandtourism.com, and D is www.uttarakhandtourism.in.
I'll go for C.
You'll go for C. Okay. Are you able to hear me, Ambika?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is A.
All right.
www.uttarakhand.gov.in, as you can see it in the slide. Okay, moving on, we have the sixth question for Miss Akansha. So sorry. Akansha, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Sixth question is, at which place does river Bhagirathi merge with Alaknanda river? Okay, and your options are Rudraprayag, A, B, Karan Prayag, C, Vishnu Prayag, and D, Dev Prayag.
The answer is D, Devrayag.
That's a correct answer. So that gives you 10 points. Okay, so maybe, yeah. Dev Prayag is a town and a nagar panchayat in Tehri, Garhwal district in the state of Uttarakhand, India, and is one of the 5 Prayag of Alaknanda river, where Alaknanda Bhagirathi river meet and take the name of Ganga. Okay, now we have the 7th question for Mr. Abhinav. Abhinav, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Your question is, Forest Research Institute, FRI, Dehradun, was established in which year? Your options are A, 1954, B, 1955, C, 1956, and D, 1957.
I think it's 1954.
You think? Are you confirm about it?
Yeah, 1954.
Okay, I'm so sorry. That's a wrong answer. The answer is option C, 1956. Imperial Forest Research Institute, established in 1906. The main building was constructed in 1929. After independence, it was amply named as Forest Research Institute and College. So that gives you 0 points. Okay, 8th question is for Mr. Akansh. Akansh, are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Your question is, it is a sweet of Kumaon region made with khoya and wrapped in malu leaf. It is similar to kalakand. Identify the sweet. A is bal mithai, B is singori, C is pan mithai, and D is bari.
I'll go for C, Pan Mithai.
Okay, that's the wrong answer. The correct answer is singori, D.
Okay.
Okay. We have the last segment now. So the 9th question is again for Ambika. Ambika, ready? Ambika?
Yes.
Okay. You have to identify the monument and give the location of it, as you can see it in the slide.
I have no idea. I can take a guess, right?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Time up.
Okay.
Okay, time is up. Okay, the answer is this. Okay, just a second. So can we have the next slide? It's the Viceregal Palace, Ananda, in the Himalayas. Narendra Nagar, built by the Maharaja of Tehri Garhwal, converted into a luxury destination spa set in a 100-acre Himalayan mountain estate. Okay, moving on. We have the 10th question for Ms. Akansha. Akansha, ready?
Yes.
Okay. This pass links the Uttarakhand, India with the Tibet region of China. The pass is also used for pilgrimage tourism for the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra to Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar. Which of the pass connects Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand to Tibet?
So I have to name it.
Yeah, you have to name
Yes.
it.
It's Lippo Lake. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but it's something like that.
If you want, you can spell it.
Sorry?
If you want, you can spell it.
Lipulekh.
Yeah, that's correct. Lippo Lake is a Himalayan pass on the border between India's Uttarakhand state and the Tibet region of China, near their tri-junction with Nepal. That gives you 10 points. Okay, we have the 11th question for Mr. Abhinav. Abhinav, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Uttarakhand proudly holds 2 heritage sites of UNESCO and 1 cultural festival, which is inscribed in the representative list of the intangible culture heritage of humanity. Name the festival inscribed in UNESCO under intangible cultural heritage of humanity. You have to name it.
Okay. Is
You're
it
running out of
the Kumau Holi? I'm not sure about it. So maybe Kumau Holi will be my guess.
No, it's incorrect. I'm so sorry. So can we have the next slide, please?
Sandeep sir.
Yes, yes, wait.
It's Raman. In 2009, UNESCO inscribed Raman on its representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Raman is a religious festival and ritual theatre of the Garhwal region in Uttarakhand. So that gives you 0 points. Moving on to the last question for IHM Bangalore. And this question is for Mr. Akansh. Akansh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, the question is, this hill station, a tourist destination, is located in the Bageshwar district of Uttarakhand and is also called as Small Kashmir of Uttarakhand. Identify the hill station as you can see it in the picture.
Bageshwar. Is it Lansdowne?
Sorry,
It's Lansdowne.
what is down?
Lansdowne.
Hands down. It is the wrong answer. It is the wrong answer.
No, it's a wrong
We can
answer.
move on, sir. Mandeep sir.
Okay.
The correct answer is Kausani. Kausani is famous for its scenic splendor and is called Small Kashmir of Uttarakhand due to a similar landscape. That gives you 0 points. So should I tell the total right now?
Yes.
Okay,
You
in
can
the
share
first
the results.
segment. Okay, in the first segment, IHM Bangalore, you had 4 questions, which gives you 30 marks. And in the second segment, it gives you 10 marks. And the third segment, it gives you 10 marks again. So that becomes 50 marks in total. Is that correct, sir?
Mandeep,
Would you like
You
to-
wait
yes,
for
it's
the-
correct. It's correct. It's correct.
Okay. Okay.
It's correct. Ambika, Mandeep, you can shift the baton to Ankit now.
Ankit, yes. Wait. Wait a minute.
Sure.
I think Ankit need to share his screen also, so please make that also possible.
Now, operate the Ankita as a host.
Yes. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So we'll start with our quiz now. So rules remains the same for just a second.
IHM Didion, please unmute yourself.
Ankit, just give 2 minutes.
Raman,
Manish,
Monishka, Paras. Unmute yourself, Riddhi.
Manishka, Paras, Riddhi,
Praman.
Praman.
Mandeep sir, I think IHM Bangalore principal wants to join. He is not able to join. Please allow him.
Now Ankit is a host. Then Ankit, please unmute
Ankit, please.
yourself from your hand.
Yeah, I'll do
Manishka.
Okay.
Yes, Riddhi, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Riddhi.
Ankit,
Yes, done.
go for the Manishka.
Okay.
Manishka, now next.
Monishka.
Done, sir.
All right.
Praman, Paras.
Monishka is unmuted. Paras.
Yes, done.
All right. And Praman.
Done, sir.
Praman, please.
Praman.
Done,
All right.
sir.
Ankit, I think your principal wants to join, but somebody is not allowing him. Ankush sir is messaging again and again. Please allow him to admit
Yeah,
into
I'll see.
the webinar.
Sure. Just a second. Okay, there's only one waiting in the waiting room by the name Narendra Modi. Should I just?
Try to unmute Ankush sir. Let's hear it from him if somebody is there.
I'll do it.
And Ankit, also please unmute Anubala ma'am.
When muted Anubala ma'am.
Hello.
Unmute Riddhi Gunjal also.
Unmute Riddhi Gunjal also.
Done.
Done.
Hello, chef. Yes, chef.
By the time principal sir joins, we can have a look on the screen. We have an entertainer in one of our attendees by the screen name of Ajay.
Ajay, yes sir.
He's throughout entertaining us. He's playing drums and showing his knife skills. We can have a look. But why you are wearing a helmet?
Ankit, unmute this person, Ajay.
Why he is wearing a helmet?
Is it done?
Manishka, please try to unmute yourself.
Done.
Then now we can start. Ankita, start.
Should we start with the question quiz?
First,
Yes, we can start.
So the rules remains the same. Moving on, first question is for Monishka. So the question is, Jog Falls, which is one of the highest waterfall in India, is created by which river? And your options are A. Sharavati River, B. Kaveri River, C. Tunga River, and D. Mandovi River.
Answer is A. Sharavati River.
Yes, you're correct. The answer is A, Sharavati River. Moving on, we have second question for Riddhi. So, on which day Karnataka Rajyotsav is celebrated? Your options are 1st March, B 10th March, C 1st November, and D 10th November.
It's the 1st November.
Are you sure about that?
The 1st November. Yeah, I'm sure.
So, your answer is correct. Karnataka Rajyotsav or Kannada Day, also known as Karnataka Formation Day, is celebrated on the 1st of November every year. This was the day in 1956 when all the Kannada language speaking regions of South India were merged from state of Karnataka. So moving on, next question is, which is the state festival of Karnataka? It's your options are A, Bangalore Karaga, B, Mysore Dasara, C, Ugadi, and D, Deepavali.
The answer is Mysore Dasara.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Time up.
So the answer is indeed is D, Mysore Dasara. The fourth question is for Praman, and the question is, the highest peak in Karnataka is located in which range? And your options are A, Nandi Hills, B, Chamundi Hills, C, Matanga Hills, or D, Chandradrona Hills.
It's option A, Nandi Hills.
So the correct answer is D, Chandradrona Hills, and the peak's name is Mulyanagiri Peak, which is located in the Western Ghat, Chikmagalur Taluk. So next question is for Monishka again. Which popular dance form has been shown in the given picture?
Is Veresaya.
Are you sure?
It's Yakshagana. Yakshagana.
The correct answer is Yakshagana. The next question is for Riddhi. How many World Heritage Sites are present in Karnataka, and what are they?
There are 2 World Heritage Sites. The first one is the Monuments of Hampi, and the second is the Pattanagal, I guess. Sorry.
The answer is correct. It's Hampi and Padadakkal. So, next question. What is the staple diet of Karnataka?
Bisi Vela Bhat.
The correct answer is rice and ragi. So, the next question. What is the tourism tagline of the state of Karnataka?
One state, many worlds.
Right. One state, many worlds. So the next question is, which place in Karnataka is also known as Granary of Togari or Tur Dal? Your options are A, Bijapur, B, Gulbarg, C, Gadag, and D, Bidar.
Gulbarga.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So the answer is B, Gulbarg. It is the largest producer of Tur Dal. So the 10th question is, which monument has been shown in the given picture? Is it A, Darya Daulat Bagh, B, Octagonal Bath, C, Shore Gumbaz, or D, Gol Gumbaz?
It's the Gol Gumbaz. The Gol Gumbaz.
You are correct. The answer is D, Gol Gumbaz. Moving on, the 11th question is, what is the state bird of Karnataka? Is it A, Indian roller, B, darters, C, flamingos, or D, geese?
It's A, Indian roller.
Yes, the answer is correct. It's A, Indian roller. The 12th question is, what is the total number of national parks in Karnataka? Is it A3, B4, C5, or D7?
Answer is C5.
Yes, the answer is C5, which are Anshi National Park, Bandipur National Park, Bannerghatta National Park, and Kudremukh National Park, and Rajiv Gandhi National Park. So your total score comes out to be, I guess, 90.
No, it's 100.
100.
It's 100.
Yeah, yeah.
100. Ankit,
Pansar, it's 100, right?
Yes,
it's 100. It's 100.
100.
It's 100.
Yes.
Yes, it's 100.
So there's a clear winner, and that's IHM Dehradun. Congratulations. Okay, so
Right.
moving on.
Ankit,
Bharti sir is
you
also
can
there.
just make on.
Manish Bharti sir is.
Manish Bharti sir is there, so you can Ankit, please Mandeep sir ko host bana dijiye.
Pansar, do we have both the principals with us?
Who?
Both the principals, sir.
I think the principal from IHM Bangalore is there, but I don't know by what name he is coming on.
I think he have left. I just received a notification that he have left.
All right.
I've made Mandeep Sir the host.
All right, Mandeep, you are the host now.
Yes, yes. Wait. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ankit.
Yeah.
Now, in this total meetings, we have a total participant 51.
51.
51.
Yes, Isha, you can conclude.
So we don't have any of the principals with us, so I think we need to.
You can call upon Bharti sir if he's there.
Is he?
Bharti
I
sir?
don't know, sir.
Bharti
He's
sir?
there?
Bharti sir is here. Bharti sir, please mute
Unmute
and mute
him.
yourself. Bharti sir.
Mr. Bharti.
Bharti sir, please mute and mute yourself. Bharti sir, please mute and mute. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon to everyone.
Sir,
Sir,
please.
would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, it was a nice show and a nice compilation of the questions from both the colleges, and it was nice to see everybody after the lockdown, such a long lockdown. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
can continue.
So there has been a clear winner, that is IHM Dehradun, but well done by the IHM Bangalore also. And that is all for today. Take care of yourselves.
Right, sir. Right,
Thank
sir.
you so much,
Right,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mandeep, just check if their IHM Bangalore HOD was there, I suppose.
Which
Right?
name, sir? What name?
Check with Mr. Ankush, please.
Chef Mukherjee, probably. Krishnendu Mukherjee.
No, I think he left.
Sorry.
All right, then Anubala ma'am is there. She can say something, and then we
Yes.
can actually wind up the meeting.
Anubala ma'am, please mute and mute yourself. Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it was a wonderful session created by both the students of IHM Bangalore as well as IHM Dehradun, and I encourage this type of quizzes to be conducted more and more for this EBSP program, as well as any online quizzes also, more online platform we need to improvise on all the online platforms, and this is more encouraging to students as well as the faculties, and we are so appreciating this kind of initiative by both IHM Bangalore as well as IHM Dehradun. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Patwal sir.
Thank you, everyone, all the organizers, host, all the participants, and as well as heartiest thanks to Ajay, who is thoroughly and continuously entertaining us. I would request Mandeep sir, अगर आप उसको mic का 2 minute के लिए अगर देंगे, so it would be a full
Yes.
entertainment show for us.
Yes, Mr. Ajay, please
So
mute
please-
unmute yourself.
Ajay, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Ajay, please mute unmute yourself. Mute unmute yourself. Mute unmute
Ajay,
yourself.
Unmute yourself.
Unmute करो अपने आप को.
Let's leave it. Let's leave it.
Chaliye, never mind. Thanks a lot to each and everyone who was part of this quiz. It was a great job done. Thank you very much. At the end, stay at your home. Be safe. Be healthy. Okay. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank
Enjoy
you.
your day.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.